Imagine waking up to the gentle chime of a notification. It's not your alarm, but rather a message. Another deposit into your bank account, even while you were sleeping. Welcome to the fascinating world of passive income, where money works for you, paving the way toward financial freedom. Today, we unlock the secrets of passive income, your passport to a more liberated lifestyle. Passive income is defined by its minimal active involvement. It's about creating avenues where your assets generate cash flow with little to no effort from you once established. The cornerstone of passive income is making smart use of time and resources up front for a sustainable, long-term payoff. One of the most popular methods is investing in stocks and bonds for dividends. Here, your money grows and compounds over time, fostering a reliable revenue stream. Real estate also presents lucrative opportunities, where rental properties can offer consistent financial returns. Though these investments often require initial capital and ongoing maintenance, the rewards can be substantial. Digital products have emerged as another potent form of passive income. Think ebooks, online courses, or affiliate marketing. Once your content is created and uploaded, it generates profit each time it's purchased, consumed, or even clicked upon. But beware, passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It demands research, planning, and sometimes considerable setup before reaping the benefits. Consistency, innovation, and patience are key attributes for anyone venturing into this landscape. Establish diversified income streams to minimize risk and ensure a steady inflow of earnings. In conclusion, passive income holds transformative potential for personal finance, offering a flexible path to security and stability. By strategically planting seeds of investment today, you can harvest the fruits of financial freedom tomorrow. As you unlock these secrets, consider every avenue, adapt to opportunities, and, most importantly, harness the power of persistence.